In this video, I'll show you how to set a trailing stop loss on the Webull mobile app, step by step. This method is very useful if you want to protect your profits and limit losses automatically while trading options. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. First, open the Webull app on your phone or desktop and log in to your account. Make sure your account is approved for options trading. Once you are logged in, go to the Options section from the main menu. Now, select the option contract that you already own. Keep in mind that a trailing stop loss can only be applied to an existing position, not before buy-in. After selecting your option, tap on Trade, and then choose Sell, because trailing stop loss is used when you want to exit a trade automatically. Next, you will see the order entry screen. Look for the order type option. By default, it may be set to limit or market. Tap on it and change the order type to trailing stop. Once you select trailing stop, Webull will give you two main ways to set it. The first option is trailing by percentage, and the second option is trailing by amount. If you choose percentage, the stop loss will move automatically as the option price goes up. For example, if your option price increases and you set a 10% trailing stop, Webull will track the highest price. If the price drops by 10% from that highest point, the option will be sold automatically. After choosing your trailing method, enter the value carefully. Make sure it is not too tight, because options prices can move quickly and small fluctuations can trigger the stop loss too early. Next, select the number of contracts you want to sell. You can sell all contracts or just a portion of your position, depending on your strategy. Then choose the time in force. You can select day, which means the order will expire at the end of the trading day, or GTC good till cancelled, which keeps the trailing stop active until you manually cancel it or it gets triggered. Before submitting the order, review all the details carefully. Double-check the trailing value, contract quantity, and order type. Once everything looks correct, tap on Submit or Place Order. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.